Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Salesforce Marketing Cloud detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Salesforce Marketing Cloud website. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Provide your company name and any other necessary details. Review the terms of service and privacy policy provided. Check the box to agree to the terms if you are in agreement. Click on the Create Account or Register button to submit your information. An email verification message will be sent to your provided email address. Open your email and locate the verification email from Salesforce. Click on the verification link included in the email. You will be redirected back to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Complete any additional setup prompts that appear on your screen. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Proceed to explore the resources provided for new users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.